Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Detection of Face Mask using Convolutional Neural Network, and the abstract of the project is the COVID-19 pandemic has caused major crisis with respect to the health of most of the human beings in most of the places of the world, which leaves a greater impact by affecting the health of the people. Major effective methods are made by maintaining social distancing and compulsorily wearing a mask. By wearing a mask, it mainly reduces the risk of transmission of the disease. Face recognition is a broadly applicable biometric approach. Face recognition technology is developed rapidly in recent years. It's more direct, user-friendly, and convenient compared to other methods. A convolutional neural network method based on detector can achieve satisfactory performance on the face mask detection. We observe that the detectors tend to seek foreigners on the limited regions of face, which reveals that the detector is short of understanding of mask and without mask. The face images are taken as the input and analyzed through deep learning technique and predict the image whether it is mask face or without mask face, and it will generate the results based on accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. And the flow diagram of the project is, first we need to start and select the dataset and read the dataset. The dataset contains mask and without mask face images, and it will implement it into pre-processing. In pre-processing, we are going into visualize the sample images of the mask and without mask images and check the minimum and maximum height and minimum and maximum width for every images in the mask and without mask categories, and read all the images and rescale the images and convert it into array. After converting the array, we need to split the model into training dataset and testing dataset, and then it will process it into classification. In classification, we are using convolutional neural network deep learning algorithm to train the mask and without mask images and predict the results based on, if it is a mask means it will show the mask, if it is a without mask means it will show the result as a without mask, and finally generate the result in the form of metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. And our program was run successfully. So these are the result of face mask detection. So first I have to read the mask and without mask sample images, and also I have to check the minimum height and maximum height, minimum width and maximum width for every images in the mask and without mask category. And this is this overall sample images for mask and without mask face images, and this is the independent variable train data and independent variable test data, and this is the dependent variable train data and dependent variable test data. In independent variable contains overall 6042 images, and independent variable test data contains 1511 images. So these are all the labels. So dependent variable contains only labels. So dependent variable train data contains 6042 labels, and dependent variable test data labels contain 1511. So this is the convolutional neural network algorithm architecture. So this is the summary result of convolutional neural network algorithm. So in every layer it will takes the trainable parameters, and it will consume the overall trainable parameter is 9,26,530, and these parameters are trainable parameters. So it will take the with mask and without mask images based on the categories and train the images based on the CNN trainable parameters. So I have to provide 25 different training approaches, so and I have finally get the accuracy result of CNN is 99%. So this is the performance graph of CNN algorithm, and this is the classification report for with mask and without mask categories. So this is precision recall F1 score value for the with mask and without mask. Precision means number of correct prediction, recall means number of correct instance of prediction, F1 score means to test the measure accuracy, and this is the confusion matrix diagram. Our algorithm which is achieves only 99.7% accuracy, so 0.3 is the exception. So the confusion matrix expresses the number of correct prediction and the expression for the with and without mask image classes. So after that finally I have to choose only images from our input data directory and predict the images through the CNN algorithm. Though our CNN algorithm will predict with mask, so the images are also with mask, and these are all the variable categories which we are used in our program.